So I've made a decent amount of progress in the last 24 hours. I got the walls completed. I got the door frame ready to go. I've got the trusses and the gables up. And what I'm currently working on, now that I've got it all square, is drilling some anchors into the concrete. So I've got quite a few that I'm going to put in. I got 6 on this back wall, and then I'm basically putting them about every 3 feet wherever I can. Exception is right over here by the door, because the door track kind of gets in the way of having the lag bolts, or not the lag bolts, sorry, but the concrete anchors coming up. So I'm going to go ahead and knock out the rest of these concrete anchors, and then get the roof on. I had to hang some weight on this thing. It got a little windy there, and it tried moving around on me. So yeah, let me get you guys set up on a tripod and get some of these holes drilled. So this is what I'm using. It's just a it's a DeWalt DCD 999 hammer drill, and I just got a SDS. It's a really cool cool bit here, but it makes quick work of this concrete. That is for sure. So go ahead and watch your ears, turn your stereos down if they're up. Yeah, voila! Uh-oh. Okay, well that doesn't fit. Let's see if I can just do that, maybe? That might work. Perfect. Alright, well, that was a lot. I forgot how much it sucks to use a hammer drill. But anyways, I have all of my anchors drilled all the way around. So now I just need to blow all the dust out, get my gasket in, and then I can set the bolts. Well, I've been plugging away at this thing for the last couple hours now, and making some really decent progress. I've got the corners of the roof, front and rear, installed, which is a lot of hardware. You got all here up on the front. And then here up top. A lot of nuts, a lot of bolts, a lot of screws, a lot of washers. But I think that's the hardest part done. And the rest of this should just go on pretty quickly. So I'll go ahead and start working on that. That might be a problem. I'm running out of screws. Whoops. Well, I got more of the roof done. Almost complete. I've got about 4 panels left. Instructions say that panel has to come back off and you kind of work your way to that spot. And I have to get up there and finish the ridge cap. So it's getting a little late. I'm a little tired. Got all cleaned up. The rest of my parts moved inside, but I want to go ahead and get this put in. So let me show you what this is. Oh, it doesn't need to be this heavy. Oh, shit.
You did it, not me.
Why is it so heavy? It doesn't need to be that heavy. Anyways. Let's see how I get this thing open. So I picked me up some vinyl flooring. Doesn't get glued down or anything, kind of just sits down. Whole point is to prevent oil spills from soaking into my brand new concrete. They had black, silver, and green. I figured green would help with the lighting a little bit, and I would say it does. You can see the reflection of it a little bit. It actually did make it a lot brighter in here as well, and it smells like a pool. I don't know if I like that. Maybe it'll go away, but this will be nice. Well, I think that about wraps it up. I'm done. I'm cutting it in. See ya.